HD commercial stud and hub, all-in-one cleaning system. 100% designed and manufactured in the USA. 2-in-1 design. Replaceable cleaning pad. Push tab system for quick, tool-free pad replacement and maintenance. Engineered to be used with half-inch impact wrench or ratchet. This heavy-duty tool improves service efficiency by combining 2 cleaning functions into one unit, saving time and replacing the need for multiple tools in the shop or field. Model 5172. Tool and cleaning pad included. Single-piece cleaning pad. Model 5175. One pad cleans over 150 hub and stud combinations. 4-piece cleaning pads. Model 5176. 4 pads cleans over 600 hub and stud combinations. Durable. Efficient. All-in-one. ESCO, all around the wheel, and so much more.